Councilmember Rebecca Kaplan, you're not only at-large councilman for the City of Oakland, California, you're also one of 2 members of the Coliseum Joint Powers Authority. Tell my viewers how Coliseum City is going right now.
Well, I'm very pleased, Zenny, and thank you so much for your great work on this, to be able to share that we have made very important progress, and that now we have the city, the county, and the developer all moving forward in the same direction, all signed off on the same agreement, and I'm very pleased to have been able to help move that forward. Not only I myself worked on that, so did Councilmember Larry Reed for the City of Oakland, Scott Haggerty, who's president of the Alameda County Board of Supervisors. And so now this property that is on BART, that's in a great location, and that is co-owned by the city and the county, has the potential to be developed into a great project that will improve the fan experience, expand local jobs, and that we can all really be proud of.
What do you say to the NFL owners, by the way? And the National Football League.
To the NFL, I'd like to say, first of all, Oakland is a great and welcoming place. Second of all, we have a great site. Raider Nation is a strong presence here, not only in Oakland itself, but in the surrounding region. And with our site that is on both public transit, the freeway, and the airport, we can welcome the fans, we can expand the business opportunities, expand the jobs, and provide a win for the team, the league, the fans, and the public.
Thank you, Councilman.
Thank you.